Imagine finding $3,000 in your mailbox. You instantly book a vacation. But if you earned that $3,000 at work, you'd pay bills. Here's how psychology influences your money decisions. If you want to understand the psychology behind money and build financial resilience, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Section 1. The Fungibility Illusion. Picture this. Last month, you received your bi-weekly paycheck of $3,000. How did you treat it? You respected it. You paid rent or your mortgage, covered utilities, bought groceries, and maybe tucked some away in savings. You felt responsible because you remembered the 40 hours of effort, the stressful meetings, and the daily commute it took to earn those funds. Now fast forward to April. You open the mail and see a letter from the IRS. Inside is your annual tax refund, about $3,900, the average refund in 2026. Your heart races. You feel wealthier. You message friends that drinks are on you, browse weekend flights to Miami, or eye that designer jacket you've wanted. In your mind, this money feels like a gift. Here's the truth. Both amounts are identical dollars, yet your brain labels one hard-earned and the other bonus. This mental accounting, explained by Nobel laureate Richard Thaler, tricks even smart people into spending windfalls instead of building wealth. Section 2. The Tax Refund Reality. A refund isn't a gift, it's your own money returned after overpaying taxes. You gave the government an interest-free loan while inflation eroded its value. If you lent a friend $3,000 and they repaid you a year later with no interest, you wouldn't celebrate. You'd be frustrated at the lost opportunity. Yet when the government does this, we cheer. We've been conditioned to see the refund as a forced savings account. People often say, if I didn't over-withhold, I would have spent the money anyway. That statement admits financial vulnerability. It means I don't trust myself to manage my own cash flow, so I'll let the government hold it for me at a loss. Outsourcing discipline this way creates barriers to wealth. Section 3. The Found Money Effect. Now let's examine the found money effect. When people receive unexpected capital, a bonus, inheritance, or refund, they treat it as outside their normal financial system. Because it feels unearned, spending it creates less psychological friction. We justify luxury purchases by saying, I didn't have this yesterday, so spending it today keeps me even. But you're not even. You're reducing your long-term financial potential. If you used that $3,000 to pay down a credit card at 24% APR, you'd save hundreds in future interest. If you invested it in a Roth IRA tracking the S&P 500, historically, it could grow significantly over time, though returns vary. Treating windfalls as disposable means trading resilience for a fleeting thrill. If this helps you see money clearly, hit like. It helps us reach more viewers ready to take control. Section 4. The Credit Card Rewards Trap. Financial institutions actively exploit mental accounting through credit card rewards. You earn points or cash back for spending. Because these rewards are separate from your checking account, you treat them as free capital for travel or luxury goods. But research shows that people chasing rewards often spend more than those using cash or debit cards. You might spend an extra $100 just to earn $2 in points. Your brain rationalizes the overspending because the points go into a reward bucket, while the spending comes from a bills bucket. You separate the pain from the gain, but mathematically, they're linked. Rewards are often just a small rebate on overspending. Section 5. The Safety Net Paradox. The most damaging form of mental accounting appears in debt management. Consider this scenario. You have $15,000 in a high-yield savings account earning 4% annually. You also carry $10,000 in credit card debt costing 24% annually. Many people refuse to use savings to eliminate debt because the account is labeled safety net. Seeing that $15,000 balance feels secure. But mathematically, the household balance sheet is under financial strain. By keeping both accounts, you suffer a net loss of about 20% annually on that $10,000. That's $2,000 lost each year, just for the comfort of seeing a higher savings balance. Mental buckets prevent you from seeing your true net worth. Net worth is one number, assets minus liabilities. If debt costs more than what you earn in savings, you're losing ground daily. Breaking down those imaginary walls is essential. Section 6. The the strategic solution. So, how do we fix this cognitive glitch? How do we unify our financial perspective? Step 1. Adjust your withholdings. If you regularly receive a $3,000+ refund, you're overpaying the IRS by about $250 monthly. Tomorrow, log into your HR portal and update your W-4. Aim for a near-zero refund. Redirect that $250 into an investment account automatically. By the end of the year, you'll have the same $3,000, potentially with growth depending on your investments, and you'll stay in control of your liquidity. Eliminating the windfall event removes the temptation to splurge. Step 2. The 72-hour windfall rule. When you receive unexpected money, a bonus or gift, do nothing for 72 hours. Don't spend it, don't move it. Let it sit. The initial dopamine rush fades and your rational brain regains control. After 3 days, reassess. Do you have high-interest debt? Pay it down. Is your emergency fund complete? Strengthen it. Make the decision strategically, not emotionally. Step 3. Relabel your income. When you receive a bonus, mentally relabel it. Tell yourself, this represents 80 hours of hard work. Visualize the commutes and projects. By attaching effort to the cash, you activate protective instincts. You're far less likely to waste money when you equate it to a month of labor. Mental accounting makes us feel rich, while keeping us fragile. Recognize that all dollars are equal. Stop giving the government interest-free loans. Use the 72-hour rule for all bonuses. Pay off high-interest debt even if it drains your safety bucket. I'm curious to hear from you. Have you ever spent a refund on something unnecessary? Are you going to adjust your W-4 this year? Drop your answers in the comments and subscribe for more educational content on personal finance. Thanks for watching.